Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Mouteki indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator also shows us two trend lines, one of which is downward and the other upward. The red trend line that you see here is the upward trend line, and the green trend line that you see is the downward trend line. It also shows us the highs and lows of the price, which we can see with the blue and red arrows pointing up and down. It also shows us the support.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Support and resistance areas on the chart. This green line is the resistance area, and this red line is the support area. We can also specify in the input to display some additional data for us here. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the alert, which if set to true, will issue an alert for us. The next option is for comments, which if set to true, will display this extra data for us here. The next option, if set to true, will show these green and red trend lines on the chart, and if set to false, we won't have them. The next option is the trendline style, where we can specify whether the line should be solid, dashed, or dotted. The next option is the width of the trend lines, where we can set a value between 1 and 5, with 1 being the thinnest. Next, we can specify now the color of the trend lines, which are green and red by default. We can choose from the available colors. The next option is for support and resistance lines, which will be displayed if set to true. The following option is the style of these lines, which is dotted by default, but we can change it to solid or dashed. The next option is the width of these lines, where we can again choose a value between 1 and 5, with 1 being the thinnest. And then we can also specify the color of these lines for the upper and lower levels, or for support and resistance. And the last option is for the horizontal lines, which will be displayed if set to true. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.